Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Nexxspeed DBU and nozzle into this Hi-Capa, and then we will go to the field and test it out.
Actually, I'm pretty sure.
Nice.
I'll give you the credit.
This is the new and improved aluminum nozzle. And here's the blowback unit. Ooh, it needs lube. It needs lube.
I need lube.
Alright. We're gonna do this the most unorthodox way.
Impersonator.
It's too late, put up. It's too late, put up.
Right there, out the box. You see? You get Nexxspeed nozzle with Nexxspeed blowback units, and you get perfect fitment. Aluminum. Whoa, this should never break. Nexxspeed 180 nozzle spring. Wow, look at that. They individually package their stuff. Nexxspeed. Oh. Come on. I'm like struggling. So, let's see if I still remember how to do this. I guess the key to all of this is relax. Okay, so this is...
One caveat, just realized we're coming out of speed loaders. However, on the motor.
Oh, it works. Look at that. Oh my god. It finally is working right. It returns. See, the problem with the last edition was it wasn't really returning, but now it returns. We have the Nexxspeed pop-up unit. Finally, the build is now complete. Let's head to the field and see how it does. It was a good try, Carl.
Get out! Kill two! Trade him! Get the trade! Kill one! Get out! Get out!